Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I will be unboxing my birthday gifts with you. I have two bags to show you. One of them I bought myself. It's a gift from me to me. I decided to treat myself with some Dior this year. But don't worry, there is Chanel. We can't skip Chanel on my birthday especially. So there is Chanel, Fendi, some other bits that I want to show you and unbox with you. So keep watching if you're interested. But also before we start, I want to say a huge thank you for all the wonderful messages, for all the lovely wishes. It really means a lot. So thank you so much. All right, let's get started. I'm starting this unboxing with this beautiful bouquet that I received from Rose Forever. You might be familiar with this brand because I have so many of their beautiful, luxurious, all natural roses around the house, and I showed you some of my other bouquets. I also have some of their clear boxes where I store some makeup. I also like to store my jewelry in their clear boxes. I really love them. These roses will last you for a year. Well, to be honest, mine last definitely more than that. Whenever I have guests over, they always comment how beautiful these roses look. They have huge selection of boxes, different shapes, colors, materials, so you can choose your preferred combination that will match your interior design. Rose Forever is also running their Mother's Day sale, and with Mother's Day coming up in the US, I think this will make such a lovely surprise for your loved ones. I think a box like this adds such an elegance to your home, and this time I picked this beautiful box with blue roses. I thought they looked a bit more unique and different, and with spring coming up I wanted something bright and colorful to add to my home. Their bouquets don't need water or light to maintain their freshness. They are safe for animals as well. You guys know I have a cat and he doesn't really go and like touch them or try to eat them either, which happens a lot when I buy fresh flowers from the store. They also don't last as long. They last for a couple of days, and my cat always tries to eat the flowers. And I know certain flowers could be dangerous for animals. They're not safe. Yeah, I love my new bouquet. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks so beautiful, especially in this pop of color. I'm gonna put it behind me so we can look at it while I unbox the rest of my birthday gifts. Alright, next let me show you my new bag that I got for my birthday from me to me. This was the biggest gift. So this I picked up from Munich, and it is a bag that I've been eyeing for quite some time. Do you guys have any guesses? Here it is. Pause the video and comment down below. If you've been following my channel, you definitely know exactly which bag I ended up getting. So let me show you. I finally got my dream Joy with pearls. It's covered in pearls. I've been eyeing this bag since last year. Can you believe it? I saw that they had it in Munich and I couldn't pass the opportunity. They had only one in stock, exactly the one I wanted, because this exact style also comes in the classic Lady Dior, but I really wanted the Joy. I thought this particular style with the pearls just looks a bit nicer in the Joy, and I don't have a Joy. I've been wanting to add a Joy in my collection since they basically launched them. I've always liked the East-West style, and I think it really suits the Lady Dior's. So yeah, I finally added one to my collection, and you know what? It was worth the wait, and I'm gonna tell you why. I saved almost £1,000 on this bag buying it from Munich. This bag, because of all the pearls, it was quite pricey compared to the full leather ones. Because of the pearls, this one was, I think, £1,000 more than the plain leather versions. But first I paid in euros, which automatically means it's cheaper, and actually a lot cheaper if you convert it into pounds. So this was 5,300 euros, and the bag here in the UK retails for £4,800. So if you do the conversion, you can see it's already a lot cheaper in euros. But then also the tax refund, 12% in Munich. So I ended up saving almost £1,000, and I couldn't be happier, guys. So yeah, this one is finally in my collection. This is the newest baby that I added to my collection. It still has stickers, so I'm gonna peel them off quickly. Oh, the stickers on the Diors are actually really annoying to peel off. So the Diors come in 3 different sizes. Mine is the small. There is a micro, then it's the small, and then we have the medium. And these bags are so great for every day, and I think because of the shape and the style of the bag, because it's slightly longer, it makes it look a bit more casual. I told you in my wishlist video as well that I would love to get a pearly Dior bag. Here it is. I found the perfect pearly Dior bag. It's covered in pearls at the back, on the side. This is the bottom. We don't have feet, by the way. And then I'm gonna open it up quickly to show you. It has a long crossbody strap, plain black, and then it has another strap. This is the other strap, the shoulder strap, which I hate. I don't like this strap. I would never use this strap, so I'm gonna put it away somewhere because I would never wear it like this. But yeah, this is my new bag. I'm so in love. And also, oh, the handles, actually not that tiny because you can wear it on your arm. So yeah, my hand goes through the handles, which is perfect. It's a great everyday bag, but also really nice dressy evening bag as well. So love her. Let me know what you guys think. The second bag that I got for my birthday, and I was very lucky because this one was a gift I didn't have to buy myself, is from my favorite brand, Chanel. I received this bag a month before my birthday, very early, so I did a early birthday unboxing as well. Many of you might have already watched that video, but I still wanted to include it in my birthday unboxing because it's stunning. I had to show you it again. In case you've missed my other unboxing, here it is, the second bag that I got for my birthday, and this one was a very, very special gift. I adore this bag, guys. I didn't buy it myself. I was actually going to buy it myself. But yeah, this is actually the biggest gift I have ever received. I couldn't believe it. I still can't believe it. And it is such a dreamy bag. It is tweed, it's covered in pink sequins. It is so princessy, so perfect, and many of you loved it as well. Oh my god, I still have the stickers. Can you believe I haven't removed the stickers? Well, I think it's time because I have actually worn this bag already. I can't believe I missed the stickers. So much nicer without stickers. So now the big question is, are you team Dior or team Chanel? Which bag is your favorite? Comment down below. Oh my god, I can't pick a favorite because I love both of them so much, and I feel so lucky to have both of these for my birthday. So I'm not going to talk too much about this bag because I already filmed an early birthday unboxing, so I'll let you watch that one if you want to see more details. But I'm also planning to film an updated bag collection and also some reviews of my recent bag purchases, so stay tuned for those. I told you guys this year I bought some more Dior, so here is the next birthday gift that I got again myself. I got this one actually quite early on, but I didn't want to miss out. It is a ready-to-wear piece, and do you guys recognize this skirt? Do you remember when I showed you this skirt in the shopping vlog, the Dior shopping vlog? Dior doesn't do tweeds very often, so as soon as I saw these beautiful tweed pieces, I think they're actually current collection. I think they released the second drop, but this was from the first drop of their spring summer collection, if I'm not mistaken. So they released these beautiful tweed pieces with the ganache print and also in houndstooth, and as soon as I saw them, first I knew they would be really popular, so I had to act very quick. But then guess what, I went to look for the pieces at the boutiques here in London and they were already sold out. Most clients have pre-ordered these pieces and I ended up buying this one online. So I was stalking the website. As soon as they restocked, I picked one up, and I was really thinking about getting the matching jacket, but I wanted to make it a set, but then I actually found the matching jacket in London in my size, and as much as I loved the jacket, I didn't like how they looked together. I thought the fit of the jacket was way too boxy, so I didn't really like them together. I did like the jacket with a pair of jeans or leggings, but the main reason I wanted to get the matching jacket was so I can wear them as a set together. And because I didn't like the look, I was like, no, just pass on the jacket and get the skirt. You can see it has Christian Dior writing at the back, and you can actually turn this if you want to wear it on the front, and it looks like you're wearing a belt almost. So that's nice that you can turn it, you know, but actually this is the back. The front of the skirt is plain, but if you want, it's nice that you can turn it and it still looks nice. Next, I quickly wanted to mention the dress that I'm wearing. I actually bought this dress to wear on my birthday, but unfortunately the weather didn't agree with me. It was so warm and sunny right before my birthday, and then the temperatures suddenly dropped, so unfortunately I wasn't able to wear this beautiful dress, but at least I'm wearing it in today's birthday unboxing, so I found an occasion to wear it. But yeah, I wanted to mention it because it's so beautiful. It gives major Zimmermann vibes, but it's the fraction of the price, so I'll link it down below. It also comes in a shorter version that's very, very cute. Next, we have another Dior gift, and this one was an actual gift. I didn't buy this myself. This was a free gift from Dior, which was very, very sweet. So in here we have, I think it's upside down actually. So in here we have this, which is, to be honest, I haven't even opened this. I think it's like a bag. Actually, this will be nice for the beach, or actually for packing. Oh, that's, I love the print. I love the print. This is so nice. I think this will be great to pack all my like bathing suits. I'm going on holiday this summer, so this will come in handy. It is a very Dior, so yeah, that's cute. And then the other thing in this box was this. Oh, this is so stunning. This perfume. Look how cute. In the most pretty pink, like blush pink leather case with the Canache print again. And this is actually my favorite blooming bouquet. Oh my god, this smells so nice. This is one of my favorite Dior perfumes. It is the most perfect spring perfume. It smells so fresh, flowery, sweet. It's beautiful. Definitely check it out in case you haven't smelled the blooming bouquet. And this one is very handy because I can put it in my new bag. It's small, so it's a nice for traveling as well. This is 10 mil, so great for traveling, great to have on the go with you. So such a nice gift. And next we have Fendi, and this is my new Fendi watch that I recently unboxed, but I quickly wanted to show you in this video again. So this watch comes with 2 straps. I did speak about this watch in more detail in my previous video, which I'll link above. But the reason I wanted to quickly mention it here is because of the pearly strap. Isn't this the most perfect match with my new bag? I mean, and it wasn't even planned, guys. So yeah, this is the pearly strap. I have to change it. So currently I'm wearing the gold leather strap, but these you can interchange, and the watch looks so good with the pearly strap, and it pairs so nicely with the Dior bag. So yeah, quickly wanted to mention because this is part of my birthday gift. But again, I will make sure I link the full unboxing above if you want to see more details. And last, I have something that I bought for my holiday this year. We are going to Portugal with a friend of mine, and this was a splurge. This was a big splurge. So this is basically a bathing suit. It's a bit hard to show you. So it's that same fabric, but then I'm not sure if you can actually wet this because of this stunning flower on the front. Oh, pearly, I'm obsessed, guys. I saw this and I was like, oh, it's quite pricey, but I really wanted it because of all the pearls, and it looked so pretty. I know I probably won't be able to use this to like sunbathe, you know, or like go in the swimming pool, but I thought in the summer when I'm on holiday I can wear it with a maxi skirt or a pair of silk trousers and I can wear it out. But even for an evening out, if you're going to a nice resort, I think this is appropriate. It will be a nice evening top. So yeah, a bit of a splurge. It is from Pbow. I believe this came in a different color, but I don't think the other colors are available anymore. I believe this was also available in black and fuchsia pink, but I think the white one is the prettiest because of the pearls. I mean, the detailing is gorgeous. This one I got in a large for reference, but I do have bigger chest. I did initially order the medium and it was way too small. So yeah, I had to size up in this one. But yeah, it looks so pretty. I can't wait to wear it this summer. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's birthday unboxing. Thank you so much again for all the lovely messages and wishes. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Come follow me on Instagram, which you can see here on the screen. I show you my new purchases, how I style them, my daily outfits. So come say hi on my Instagram. I would love to see you there as well. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!